How may I help you?
Adding a quick disconnect for air or water to your unit is easier than you think. A few minutes and a couple of quick attachments and you'll have an outlet for that scaler or micro etcher you needed to attach. This quick disconnect will mount into a 1/2-inch diameter hole. It is supplied with large and small tubing barbs so that you can attach either 1/4-inch or 1/8-inch outside diameter supplied tubing. We have various options available depending on the needs of your project. Next, you'll need a length of supply tubing. That length will be dependent on the needs of your project. Under most circumstances, just a foot or two should be plenty. We recommend this threaded multi-port tubing connector. It comes with both large and small barbs in case you need to splice into anything other than 1/4-inch outside diameter supply tubing. Additionally, we offer various plastic barb tees to choose from. Depending on your project, you may need a mounting bracket. Use this bracket to mount the quick disconnect if you don't have room to drill a hole in the unit. We have several mounting brackets available. We're going to install a water quick disconnect on this beaver state delivery system. We'll want to remove the cover to get access to the main water line coming into the unit. You'll note in the front panel of this unit there's a 1/2-inch diameter port that is currently plugged, labeled water, where we can install the quick disconnect. Depending on your setup, you may need to drill a 1/2-inch diameter hole in the unit to accommodate the quick disconnect, or use a mounting bracket as was mentioned earlier. Locate the main water line going to your unit. This should be a live line, so be sure to make your splice before any valves or blocks. In most cases, a line would be a 1/4-inch outside diameter supply tubing, usually blue in color. Now you'll insert two ends of the threaded multi-port tubing connector into the tubing you just cut. Then, you'll attach that additional length of supply tubing to the open barb on the connector. Attach the free end of the tubing you just connected to the barb tee to the barb on the back end of the quick disconnect, and that's it. You can now start using your new quick disconnect. If you find that there's no room to install a quick disconnect on your unit, we carry mounting brackets for installing the connector in the location of your choice. Position the bracket where you want it, and then mark where the bracket screws will be installed. Now, drill where you made your marks. This will aid you in installing the screws for the bracket. Next, attach your bracket with the provided screws. Mount your quick disconnect as we'd shown before. Attach your air or water line and you are ready to go.